Hey guys, it's your boy 300 Mopar again. Today I just want to give you guys a little look at the exhaust that I changed up. I know I was talking about it in one of the other videos I did about doing Truel duals. I went ahead and did Truel duals. Right now it's completely straight piped. I'm going to give you a little demonstration on what it sounds like. My thoughts on it: I do not recommend it. It is extremely loud. Sounds like a Honda Civic basically. I don't recommend doing it. It's going back in today to get the mufflers put on it again, so we'll show you what it looks like and then I'll start it up, rev it up a little bit. I don't know how the sounds are going to work for this because it's that loud. So we'll go from there. I'm going to show you really quick what it looks like, and then I'll show you later on. I'll do another video of what it sounds like with the mufflers in it and actually what the exhaust will look like or sound like. You can see it's Truel duals, straight pipe all the way back. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start it up and give you a little sound demonstration. So as you can see right here, this is just idling, that it's fairly loud just idling. So I guess we'll rev it up a little bit. You can get an idea what it sounds like at higher RPMs. So as you can see, I don't know how that sounded on the phone, but I guess I'll see it when I edit it. It sounds like a souped up Honda Civic. I don't recommend it. If you want to know more about it, let me know. I'll tell you more about it. I don't recommend it, but until next time, 300 Mopar and we out.